Question number 18. Work out the area of this triangle. Now we can see the triangle has a base of 9 metres and a height of 12 metres, and it's got a right angle in there. Now, if we drew a rectangle that had a base of 9 metres and a height of 12 metres, we could work out the area of that rectangle as 9 metres. So the area of the rectangle is equal to 9 times 12. 9 times 12, or 9 times 10 is 90. 9 times 2 is 18. So together 108. So 108 metres squared is the area of the rectangle. But we can see we've got 2 triangles, 2 equal triangles, 2 congruent triangles, in fact, inside that rectangle. So the area of the triangle, we need to divide the rectangle by 2. So 108 divided by 2 is 54 metres squared. 54 metres squared. Part 2 says change your answer to part A, number 1, to an area in centimetres squared. Well, 9 metres is equal to, because 1 metre is equal to 100 centimetres, so 9 metre is equal to 900 centimetres, and 12 metre is equal to 1200 centimetres. So if we repeat exactly the same calculation now, the area of the triangle is equal to 900 times 1200 and divide it by 2 because there are 2 triangles inside that rectangle. We've now shown our lengths in centimetres. So when we multiply centimetres by centimetres, our units will be equal to centimetres squared. So 9 times 12 is 108. We've already worked that out at the top here. And 1, 2, 3, 4 noughts back on. 1, 2, 3, 4 noughts back on. And that's all to be divided by 2, which is equal to half of 108 is 54. And 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer on answer line is 540,000 centimetres squared. Now part B says work out the length of the hypotenuse of the triangle. Well, the hypotenuse is the long side, which is this one. We're going to call that H. So Pythagoras' theorem is the sum of the squares on the two short sides added together is equal to the square of the long side. So we need to work out 9 squared plus 12 squared, because we're working out the long side, and for the long side we add the square. So 9 squared plus 12 squared, so 9 squared is 81, 12 squared is 144, 81 plus 144 is 225. So H squared is equal to 225, so H is equal to the square root of 225. Now again, square root of a number ending in a 5 has to end in a 5 itself. Okay, now can't be 5 times 5 because 5 times 5 is 25, so 15, because 15 times by 15 is equal to 225. So the square root of 225 is 15. The length of the long side is 15 metres. Okay, remember, if working out a long side, we square and we add. If we were to work out a short side, we would square and we would subtract. Remember, the long side is always a hypotenuse, which is the length opposite the right angle. So this is always the long side.